Plant cells contain structures that animal cells lack, including chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are responsible for photosynthesis, converting light energy into chemical energy with oxygen as byproduct. All photosynthesis in plants and algae occurs in chloroplasts. The chloroplast is surrounded by two distinct layers of membranes and contains flattened membranous sacs called thylakoids. Light collection for photosynthesis occurs on the thylakoids. Unlike animal cells, plant cells have a cell wall surrounding the plasma membrane. The cell wall contains cellulose molecules bundled into tough fibers and is nearly 100 times thicker than the plasma membrane. Cellulose, indigestible to humans, makes up the fiber important in our diet. Cell walls provide structural strength and water tightness to plants, as well as protection from insects and animals. In plant cells, the large central vacuole stands out more than other organelles. Surrounded by a membrane and filled with fluid, the vacuole occupies 50 to 90% of a plant cell's interior space. The vacuole serves 5 roles in plant's life. It stores nutrients, including amino acids, sugars, and ions. It retains and degrades waste products using digestive enzymes similar to the lysosome. It degrades worn-out organelles, example chloroplasts or mitochondria, and recycles their nutrients. It accumulates poisonous materials and other chemicals to deter animals from eating the plant. For example, chili peppers store a chemical in their vacuoles that causes a burning sensation when eaten by mammals. The vacuole may contain pigments, enabling plant to attract birds and insects that aid in plant reproduction. The vacuole provides physical support because it contains high concentration of dissolved substances, allowing water to rush into the cells through the process of osmosis. The increased fluid pressure inside the vacuole can cause the cell to enlarge slightly and push out the cell wall. This process is responsible for the pressure called turgor pressure that allows stems, flowers, and other plant parts to stand upright. The loss of turgor pressure results in wilting.